Hi, today we're going to be fixing our toilet, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show how to basically install one of these. This is a CORKY, actually. CORKY flush valve sets. So what you want to do is loosen up the valve here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to tighten that down, okay? And that's your main valve for your water, okay? For your water input. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn this guy using channel locks, move it upwards, okay? So clockwise. Clockwise is going to tighten this. And then what you can do, when this is in here, there's a little nut at the bottom. So there's a washer here, and it's connected like that, and in between is the porcelain. So what you're going to do is you're going to first loosen this guy up, okay, and you're going to turn that counterclockwise, I believe. Yeah, counterclockwise, and then you're going to loosen this guy and turn this one clockwise. And then eventually, a lot of the water that you have in your bowl is going to spill onto the floor. So make sure you have a kit, a full kit. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to replace my washers with this, using this kit made by Fluid Master. The only reason I want to replace it is because I want to put that one in, the black one. So I'm going to put that black one underneath because I have had leaks for a long time in this toilet. This is a Kohler toilet, and I don't know if it's because the hole here that goes for that is wider than normal. This is about $3. I know so I'm not missing anything, but I'm gonna put in, let's take a look at this, if you guys can see it, okay? I hope, so sorry. I'm missing probably C, okay? You guys can see that? I'm missing C. So I want to basically stop the leak here, because something's leaking from that main water hole, that water bucket. So I apologize. Hope that's a little better. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. This is by Fluid Master, I think part 250 or so. I have a CORKY. A lot of people don't like this, but that's what I got for now. So I'll open this up, and I have these three things. I got that little guy, this nut, this washer, and another nut. So let's just compare. This is the CORKY washer. I think what's going on is I'm getting water here and it's leaking out, but I like the CORKY. I like the Fluid Master, and even I think the diameter of the hole is a little bit narrower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this, I'm going to do it reverse. And I don't know if that's the right way, but we're going to do it that way. The other thing is to take this guy and put it here, I think. Yeah, so we're going to, the other option is to put this for that guy, but I don't have to use it, so. So turn off water supply, flush toilet, and remove excess water from tank. Disconnect water supply connector from fill valve and remove valve. Slide shank washer on the threaded shank of the valve with a flat surface against the valve. So that's this part. Okay, that's already on there. Place fill valve through tank hole, push down. Okay, hand tighten. Do not over tighten as the tank may crack. Okay, that's important. You don't want to crack your tank, your porcelain. Alright, there she goes. Okay, make sure flow cup of the valve does not touch tank walls, tank lever. Okay, reconnect water supply. Okay, for rigid metal line, side plastic coupling nut on pipe, push cone washer. C, flat side into nut, insert pipe into valve and tighten plastic nut. Hand tighten, do not over tighten. Turn on water and check for leaks. Alrighty. It's interesting. This is a little different. They add a separate. It's interesting. That shouldn't go that way. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're just going to, I'm going to attach this from the base. Okay, so we're attaching this guy to the base of that. That's what I'm doing. Because I've had a lot of leaks, so I'm going to use this nut. This is that washer there. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing this guy up. Whoa. Washer doesn't want to go in there. That's good. It's tight. So I'm twisting. I'm just twisting and twisting and back and forth until. Hope that works. Just as a disclaimer, I'm not a plumber. Anything I do could be completely wrong. So we're now tightening this guy up at the base. This is where, yeah, this feels a lot better. This is where, that's where most of the leak was coming from this tank. So most of the leak was coming from here. So it was coming from this guy, and you can see, oh yeah, you can see that. That's what I put in there, and what we're gonna show. What we did here is, yeah, there it is. It's blurry, I'm sorry. But I tightened. I did. I hope you guys can see that. Okay? So what we're going to do next is I hand tighten this. Okay? I'm still tightening it. So now I'm going to attach this guy. I'm going to go clockwise. Ooh. I'm not left-handed. Okay, I give up. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. Just make sure it's straight. And I believe you turn clockwise. Let's see. Should be clockwise. Just do this. Okay, it's on. Oh, okay. Alright, so you go counterclockwise. Alright, so go counterclockwise on that last nut. Boom. Okay, so we hand tighten that, and now what you're going to do is you're going to open this valve up. We're going to go counterclockwise. I must have said everything backwards at the beginning. Okay, I'm opening it counterclockwise. So when we I like that sound. There's no sound, except for water flowing into the tank. I don't need to see any drips. Before, I had a huge leak here. So again, if you're having a toilet leak, just consider getting one of these Fluid Master fill valve hardware replace kits. Okay, and take that one washer here and put it underneath. Okay, you might have a Kohler. I have a Kohler toilet, which these are supposed to be pretty okay. And people, you don't have to be disgusted by my toilet. I completely washed it thoroughly with lots and lots of bleach, and they gave it a nice bath. So everything here is. I'm not touching anything nasty, even though it might look good. It's been thoroughly washed down. It's taken a long shower. So then once you're done with that, you want to make sure you adjust the height. So we just twist and turn it and elevate it. This one's a little bit goofy. Alright, so I'm filling it up. Again, nothing in here is dirty. It's just like from my water supply. I got a lot of minerals. So the reason why it's slow fill is because my valve is still closed. Oh. Okay, I don't see much of a leak, but y'all can see how that's on there, and hopefully there's no leak. What I did for my toilet, I installed a floor drain, and you can see that right there. That's in case, worst case scenario, if there's ever a bad flood from my toilet, it all goes down into the floor, and the floor is connected to the main drain. So through a P-trap, so that helps me also to keep my floor clean. I can just wipe it, you just wipe it down with a mop and then clean the floor really easily. So you can see that that's not filling. Make sure your little ring thing here is not blocking. Okay, start filling it up now. Don't see any leaks. You also can feel there should be no water anywhere. Anywhere, especially here. There should be no water. So what we're going to do, we're going to test it out. Whoops. Alright. So that's how you attach the washers and fix the leaks. Alright, so that is our bathroom we've been working on for quite some time. And you can see I put in the tile. It got a little bit dirty because I had a leak from putting in the toilet. But okay, so what we're now I'm gonna do is put this lid on. So it's just cardboard. Oh, I've forgotten how this goes. There's a little hook, and you put the hook in there. Alright. So that's that. Make sure you completely wipe down all the fluid, water on your toilet floor, on your floor, on the bathroom floor. Alright, good luck with your projects. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to install that sink, and I'm going to talk about the drain hole and how I made that into the floor, okay? Alright, good luck everyone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you.